Today we will learn the types of numbers. Types of number. Even and odd number is a one type of the natural number. What is mean by even number? A number is an even if it can be divided equally into a two groups. Here an example. I want to share some jelly beans with you. This is not possible. This is one example. Okay, my jelly beans is 4 and your jelly beans is 4. That means I have 8 jelly beans. There is no jelly beans left over. That means we started with an even number. Okay, I hope all understood the even number. Even number is a number is an even if it can be divided equally into a two groups. Okay, and it is another definition is even number is easily divisible by 2. Easily divisible by 2 and no reminder is 0. When we divide any number by 2, reminder is 0. Okay, next is what is mean by odd number. A number is odd if there is one left over after dividing into a two groups. Okay, a number is odd if there is one left over after dividing into two groups. Here an example. I want to some M&Ms with you. Okay, I want to share some M&Ms with you. My M&Ms is 5 and your M&M is also 5. That means there is one M&M left over. That means I have 11 M&Ms. That means we started with an odd number. 11 is an odd number because when we divide 11 by 2, answer is 5. That means quotient is 5 and remainder is 1. Another definition of the odd number is a number is divisible by 2, then the number is not perfectly divide and only we get the one remainder. When if the number is divided by 2, that means 11 is divided by 2, one remainder is we get one remainder. That means very easily identify the number is odd. And one trick also, on the unit place we have 3, 5, 7 and 9. We can easily identify these numbers are odd numbers. Okay, similarly in the even number, on the unit place we have 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0. You can easily identify these numbers are even number. Okay, I want to give one example. Let's try to some ladybug examples. If is the number 6 even or odd? First count 6 of your spots. Okay, then place them on the ladybug alternating each side. Alternate means to go back and forth like a pattern. There is no spots left over. That means 6 is an even number. Okay, 6 is divided into two equal parts easily. One part 3 and second part is 3. That means each part having a 3 means 3 pairs. Okay, similarly I want to give another example. Is the number is 9 even or odd? How to identify? First of all, you count the 9 spots. Okay, after you enter the 9, you divide or you make a pair or of 9 spots. When you spots the spots on the ladybug, then 1 spots are left over. That means 9 is an odd number. Okay, why? Because 9 is not perfectly divisible by 2. 1 is left. Okay, 1 is left over. That means 9 is an odd number. You can do this with a larger number too. Okay, is the number is 15 even or odd? First of all, you count the spots, 15 spots, then place them on the ladybug alternating each side. Already I explained alternate means to go back and forth like a pattern. There is one spot left over. That means 15 is an odd number. One more example. Is the number 12 even or odd? First count 12 spots. Then place on the ladybug alternating each side. There is no spots left over. That means 12 is an even number. Now you will work on your own. Count out spots for each number on your sheet and put them on the ladybug, alternating each side of ladybug to figure out if they are even or odd. Then write the numbers in either the even or odd section of the chart. Remember, if there are no spot left over, the number you started with is even. If there is a spot left over, the number you started with the odd. Okay, worksheet is this. Please solve worksheet. Very easy to identify. Okay, I will explain how to solve this worksheet. There are even or how to identify even or odd. 10 is an I want to give hints. Some 10 is a even number because 10 is easily divisible by 2. 16 is also a even number because 16 is also divisible by 2 in equal parts. 8 plus 8 is equals to 16. Okay, no left over. 10 is also easily divisible. 5 and 5, no left over. But in 7, 1 are left over. That means 7 is an odd number because this one also trick match the pair. Okay, first of all draw the points and match the pair. 1 are left over. That means in the 7 3 pairs are there. In the 7 3 pairs. So 3 pairs, 1 are left over. That means 7 is an odd number. 14 is also an even number. 5 is odd number because in the 5 also 2 pair, 1 are left over. Similarly 22 is easily divisible by 2. That means 22 is an even number. 11 also odd number. Why? Because in the 11 also 1 left over. 5 pair are there but 1 are left over. Or when we divide by 2 to 11, answer is 5 but remainder is 0. Remainder is 1. That means the number is odd number. When we get remainder is 1, the number is odd. When we get remainder is 0, that means the number is even. Okay, next 18 is also easily divisible by 2. That means 18 is also an even number. 23 not divisible by 2, easily in 23 also we get remainder is 1. That means 23 is also a odd number. Or on unit place they have 3. Okay, 3, so 3, 5, 7 7 and 9 are the odd numbers. Okay, or 19 is also a odd number. Okay, and even number 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are the even numbers. Okay, easily identify when they put on unit place, then you get answer easily or identify easily. These are numbers. These numbers are even number. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share this video.